Hi, I'm Dave Barlow. I'm the president of Innovative-Based Technologies and Creative Sport Concepts. And we're here in my office, and we're going to start producing a once-a-month video and printable newsletter, basically talking about what's happening in the world of what we call panel-based technology, what's happening with IBT and Creative Sport Concepts. There has been so much going on in the last year or two with our company. We continue to grow, which we want to thank all of you, both our dealers and our customers. But there's so much innovation going on with our products right now. We have spent years and years in the development of our panel system. As many of you know, we started out in the world of golf with our TourLink system, and we're still extremely active in TourLinks. In fact, we're very excited by after years of trying to make this happen, we've negotiated a deal with Revolution Golf, which is a subsidiary of NBC Golf, and that is allowing us to bring our prepackaged putting greens to a sector of the Revolution Golf market. What that means for all of us is that 1 million paid subscribers to RG are now seeing the TourLinks product line, and that's just as good for all of us because it begins to give more exposure to what we're doing as a company and really what panel-based technology can mean to the home and commercial golfer. Along with, other than that, UltraBaseSystems just continues to explode beyond my wildest dreams. When I first started this thing, if you would have told me that we were building full-size athletic fields, I probably wouldn't have believed it. But here we are this year. We've got 9 fields going in right now. We're developing blends of materials that are making installations easier. Our goal, I tell people all the time, I like that term, what's your why? Why are you doing what you're doing? And for me, it's pretty simple. We want to create an easier way to install. We want better results, and we want to break down all logistical barriers. There should be nowhere that a putting green, a pet area, an athletic field, a landscaping area, an athletic court. There should be no logistical barriers as to where we can install. And that's one of the things I'm most proud of with our product is that we can build virtually anywhere. So we continue to grow and design the panels to make installation easier. You guys have probably seen in the last couple weeks, my IT and my marketing team have done a great job in producing our e-catalogs showing our launch into I know much anticipated by me and from you guys, our new UltraBase court system. And this is really the first of its type in the industry, a panel that you play directly on. It is the structure, it's the drainage, it's the play surface all in one. We just think it's a really huge advancement in the court market. It took us a long time to develop it, almost 3 years, and trying to get it just right. And we're still tweaking, but we're very proud of what we've got. Along with that is UltraBase floor system, and it's been a lifelong dream of me to see our product, the turf being stripped away from our product and actually being seen for the first time. So now we are proud to say we are a flooring company. We have a system that allows us to build everything from a shed floor to an RV pad to a dog kennel to trade show flooring. Lots of accessories that we're going to show you later on, edges and ADA ramps and wire chaseways. All of that allows us to finally be out from under turf and be a product that is really going to be, we think, heavily regarded in the flooring market. So, there's other advancements. We have worked hard to develop a rooftop industry where there never was one. One of the things I tell people all the time, when I first started this business, there really was no indoor golf business. Guys worked 5-6 months out of the year. They had to pigeonhole their money, hopefully make it through winter, but we opened up an indoor market. Well, we also opened up a very strong rooftop market. We have installers all over North America and beyond in the Europe that are taking our panels, and they're taking advantage of space that's not being used. That's rooftops. I mean, look, let's face it, real estate, they're not making any more of it, and real estate is of a premium as it compares to acreage. So So guys are building up above, they're building on rooftops. So throughout New York and Chicago and San Francisco, the idea of rooftop installations ranging from a pet area to putting greens to full athletic fields is something that is a major trend right now. We saw it and we went out there and were able to develop a blend of material that is a Class A fire retardant material designed for that rooftop market, and others of course, but it really, that ASTM E108 is a very difficult standard to achieve, and we've done it for our UltraBaseSystems panels. So a lot of great stuff going on. We're going to go into details about a lot of this. We're happy that you guys are with us, and we're really pleased to be able to showing you what's coming new, where we're going, what our dealers are doing, and we look forward to talking to you every month.